Hey y'all, now your girl Ashirifia All in one this. Come on, make we cook and chop la. On the menu today, I am going to show you guys how I make this mouth-watering curry shrimp. To my all-in-one tribal team, welcome back to yet another great video today. And if you are new here, if you are a first timer watching this video, please kindly hit that subscribe button, the notification bell, so you can be part of this all-in-one team. Now that you are subscribed, gave me a thumbs up, share this video with your loved ones and friends, we are gonna go into this curry chicken, y'all. I am going to start off by adding some salt to my deveined clean shrimp. I am using kosher salt. It is slightly coarse and low in sodium. Be very generous with your salt here because we are not going to add any more salt. I am adding my all-pepper seasoning and freshly crushed black pepper. I'm going to add some curry now to season my shrimp so I can set it down and let it marinate and sink into my shrimp. Just like so. For my vegetables, I have some green peppers, some red peppers, some onions, chopped garlic, sweet peppers, and Scotch bonnet pepper for heat. I am also going to add some coconut cream for taste and also to thicken up my sauce. Now, my pot is hot and I just added about 2 teaspoons of coconut oil. Coconut oils are very light and can burn very easily, so I am not going to wait for it to thoroughly melt down before I add my curry. So I'm adding my curry, then they can slowly cook and melt together. Frying your curry before you add your food to it takes away that powdery taste that some curry do have. I mean, depending on where you get your curry, you might not need to do this. But all the curry that I have tasted or cooked with always have that powdery taste. So I always make sure I give it a good fry. Not burn, depending on the dish that you're making. You might need to burn your curry a little bit to give it that taste. But for this shrimp curry, I'm not going to burn my curry. Adding the marinated shrimp to my curry now. Once my marinated shrimps are in the pot, I am not going to stir it. I am going to allow 3 to 5 minutes for the shrimps to cook on one side. Then when it's done, I am going to stir it all up and give it another 5 minutes to cook up. My heat is on medium-low, allowing my curry shrimp to slowly cook instead of overcooking. Now, when you overcook your shrimps, they get rubbery, and that is not what we want. As I stir up this shrimp, you can see that the curry is all stuck to the shrimp. So now I am not going to waste any time because some of my shrimps are already curling up. So I am going to add my cream coconut milk so it can start the process of my sauce, the process of my gravy, my curry gravy. Now that my cream coconut milk is in there and adding its own unique flavor to my curry shrimp, I am going to go ahead and add my vegetables, my green pepper, red peppers, my onion, my garlic, my Scotch bonnet pepper for heat, and my sweet peppers for garnishing. Although I want some heat in my curry shrimp, I don't want all that heat. So no, I am not going to chop up my Scotch bonnet pepper. I am just going to break it a little bit, not totally in half, but just open it up a little bit and dump it in my curry shrimp. Give it a good stir, and now I am going to rinse the bowl that I had my shrimp marinated in, because it still has some of that good curry and seasoning in there. So once I put that in, it's going to loosen up my coconut milk and my curry, my fried curry, and it's going to thicken up the sauce that's on there. This is the sauce that I started with, but it's a bit thick for me here, so I added a little bit more water to loosen it up. And yes, so our shrimp has come to a conclusion. I am going to lower my heat and allow this to simmer for a few minutes, and yes, I will be ready to dish out, y'all. I'm going to add my sweet peppers to my curry shrimp as it sits in this semi-thick curry gravy, y'all. We finished cuckoo, guys. Come make we chop la. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I appreciate all the support that you've been giving me. Now, if you made it to this far and you have not subscribed, hit that subscribe button right now, the notification bell, so you will be amongst the first to see my videos whenever I upload a video. And if you have been watching my videos so far, please head over to Facebook and follow my Facebook page at Ashirifia and my Instagram page at Ashirifia All in One.